Okay, October 5 for the Dole Plantation. The day after we got engaged. Let's see it. Let's see it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Mrs. Carlos? Mrs. Carlos? Bride to be?
Yesterday was so emotional. Now I'm ready to eat again.
Well, let's eat. No more diet.
May ba tayo mag-foodland today?
Bukas. Come on, Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Like this.
Yeah, Hawaii! Hawaii version.
Hawaii.
Nakuha tama?
We're in Dole Plantation.
Dole Plantation.
In Hawaii.
Dole Plantation.
Dole Plantation.
Hawaii.
Yan na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then smile. One more smile. Ano tayo?
Pa-picture na kay Kuya Sed.
That's way too big for you.
Let me see.
No, I see it. We'll bite later, okay?
My slime! Mommy, my slime!
Yeah. We'll bite later.
Shaka. Shakam. Mas malam.
Oh, 60 lang represent.
Gulot. Yan, kape. Bisa ang kape. Thank you po. Shaka.
Here.
Okay, Nico.
Pineapple.
Isaiah. That's why you have to wait. I told you.
Isaiah B.
That's yours. Be patient. Are you patient?
No!
Mali ba siya? Hindi naman ah.
Oo nga naman. Okay, here. Which one you want? Okay, you don't keep on shouting when I'm gonna give you. Okay?
Okay.
Mommy, buy apple ice cream.
Okay, calm down first. Alright.
Take a deep breath.
Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yes! Why away?
Oh, you don't want airplane? Okay, you want it by yourself? Okay.
Whoa!
Okay. Is it yummy?
Diyan na, ma'am. Yung mo siya din.
Do-document mo yung kikyak. Pagaka.
Saya pagaga.
Ah.
Mamalipit.
No!
No?
No daw, no.
Sa kili-kili.
Iwi-wi!
Iwiwi.
Iwi-wi!
You! Anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Dan! Nanamuha!
Nano.
Nanong ko.
Nanamuha!
Nanalo ka.
Ay, si Papa.
Alayng L. Alayng L na.
Nanong lagyo mo?
May sipa.
Giovanni's.
Wala mo, di taging kain eh.
Ano sabi na kayo kalangan? Ba't kayong set?
Sige, share na.
Atin niya pang style ko ko eh.
Before I play also.
Oh, rice test.
Rice test.
Malpa.
Malpay.
Malpa.
Baka pumalpa talaga yung kaidem.
Yung style na kayo
Style
nila.
na.
Moist talaga. Oh,
Job,
kamusta?
I say, ah.
Good.
Yaman niya.
Parang boiling point.
Boiling crab.
Boiling crab.
Yung ano lang, yung naka-separate.
Ano kay I say?
Kain na ako, guys. Big wave shrimp truck. I think Renzi went to go get poke for the people. I don't know what it is. But we'll see. Let's try. This was a lot better. This is better.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Daddy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you, for both of you.
Thank you po. Oh.
Thank you, Pop.
Binigay dati mo.
Oh, tama, $30 per pound. Price. Sige, pili ba? Which one do you want? Half a pound?
Yeah, half pound.
Saya, look. Smile. Smile. Look, look. Look at here.
Hawaii! Hawaii! Shell mo po. Kunin itong shell mo. Kunin yun.
Folks, there you have it, our Hawaiian steamed pig right out of the underground. So good flavors. Our coloring along with our coloring for you. This is your top steamed photos of venues on the island of Oahu. For an evening of fun, fish and greeting you with a smile and a little Hawaiian style. Have a round of applause for our torchbearer. Are red hot. Some of those stones are taken and placed in the cavity or opu of the pig that had Asian. Wrapped in a chicken wire fishing, the pig is taken to the imu, placed on a bed of vegetation. The imu is sealed with a burlap sack, a tarpaulin, and the sand that was.
Kaya nga tayo na hapon eh. Ng kaluwa. Na, may nakin na kilukulukan, ma.
Malapit sa Kelames.
Dahil taga Las Vegas?
Festively adorned by him. Her native dress symbol is a cock's rubber panel, accentuated with a floral waistband called Hey Hatua.
Hello!
Presents with a crown of beautiful flowers called. All right, ladies, we have your instructors in front of you. Whatever they do, you do, okay? Hi, darling. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give all of our volunteers a nice round of applause.